Mommy Lay's vlog, and today we will be unboxing Lazada packages. Purchase $9.99 promo. Okay, first we will open this one. Chloe, come here. This is Chloe's item. Grabe, dagan kay ko na. Oh, Lazada, Balex. Dagan tayo ko na purchase for Chloe. This one. Chloe! This is her stuff. Wow. Oh, I don't have scissor. This one. Tanaw, sinamok. Sinamok. Yay! What is this? Grabe, mayo kay pagkapak. Kanunod ko ha. O ginabre. I cannot open this one with my bare hand. Yay! I think this is the naara. Wow! Feeding bottle. Pink tanan. Oh my god. This is 74 pesos. Put water and then may lang squeeze. Chloe, drink water. Oh, you like it? Come here. This one is morning basura para siyang poop. Here, 9 pesos each. And this is the plato. If maglaag ni, then nagutom si Chloe. She's busy down there. So, saan man eh? How to open? Okay, the plato is here. Igana na siya, guys. Chloe, you are hungry. You eat this one. Your food. Pak, 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 pak. Grabe, pink tanan. This one is... What's this? Hello. I think nasa Picas package ang ihang bed. I think this is the toothpaste. Yan na later. And this is the bag. Sulod siya mag-soroy ni. So, here. Asya ni sa'yo mo, Chloe, wang? Saan man eh? Isulod yung feet. Let me check. Let me try, be. Chloe. Hindi pa man siya. Basta isulod siya diha. Then, i-ana rin siya ni mami. Imuha na. Then, agoy, this is the best part. Look at that. The toy. Hello, Nick. Dali, no? Kiling-kiling. Chloe, here. Here, toy, oh. Nahan kayo siya, anak. And, yan, sudlay. I don't know how. Luwiwang. So, barato na guys. And, mga cute. Mga dress, oh. Another panty. Kasya na ni sa iya, anak. Strawberry. The nail clipper. Nana. This one. And, another panty. This is kanang igo sa iya, oh. Small. And another dress. And no more. That's it, guys. Ano pa? I think kaning is the nagamay lagi siya na for puppy yun. Kananan. And duha na siya. With water. So, kananan here and water here. Hindi na siya malibog, oh. Pink! Grabe, all pink, guys. And, let's open the second one. This is...
Busy kayo.
She is busy right now. Chloe is so busy. Mas dako ang sakuan, no? Sa Daiso ako nakita. But this is okay na, large for her. What's this? Higdaanan, guys. Chloe Wang, come here. Chloe, come here. Come here. Come to mommy. Come here. Hi. Chloe. Stop. That's your bed. That's your bed. You lie down there. Okay. Yung large. No? It's small. Sa iyahan lang din siya. So, mga niya ha, guys. Iyahan. Mga items. Then, this is mine. I just saw it. It's 90 pesos, I think, each. Well packed. This is the famous freshener. Gunting sabi. Face. So, this is 65. This is so cute. Small. I think igo na ni sa iyahan na. The other one is medium. Kani ang igo, oh. So cute kaayo. And this one, let's continue. Padayon ta. The famous Irish Spring. Grabe. Ipak yun o maayo. Di mo lagi na siya madaot o ano. So wala siya nadaot, guys. Muta, oy! This is 250 ml each for 99 pesos. Here, guys. Claro. And it's so hot. Saan na yun? Ito siyang sabon na Irish Spring. And this is for the washing machine. Special base for washing machine or refrigerator. So, tignan lang ako i-open kaya assemble ko, guys. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Chloe is so busy now with her toy and bed. Chloe, say goodbye. Miss Kisha na.